Hello and welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to connect JupyterLab to TDengine. The process is documented on our official documentation website, which you can see on the left here. JupyterLab you may know as the new version of Jupyter Notebook. And the first thing we need to do is install JupyterLab on our system here, and we'll use the pip command shown there to do so. It's checking the dependencies here. If it's your first time installing, this may take some time to download all the dependencies. But now we do have it installed, and we can go ahead and run JupyterLab. The JupyterLab command. And this will open a tab in our browser where our local JupyterLab is running. And I'll just select Python 3 for the kernel here. Now that we're in JupyterLab and we have our console open, we need to install the TDengine Python Connector. To do so, we'll run these two commands and just copy those into JupyterLab here. And we can see the Taos Pi, the TDengine Python connector, has been successfully installed here. Now confirm that your TDengine deployment is running and that you have Taos adapter running as well. Once that's done, you can start using the Python connector to get your information from TDengine into JupyterLab. As a test, we'll use the pandas data frame that's given in the documentation here. But on my system I don't have the logs database installed, so I'll use a telegraph database that I have instead. So I'll copy this into here. In the data frame, the documentation is assuming that you've used Taos Keeper to create the logs database in your system. I don't have that, so I'll use the telegraph database that I have to record my local machine's usage, and I'll do the mem super table for memory, and we'll go ahead and run that and see what it says. Up here we can see for example, the use memory and use percentage over the time that I was tracking it and recording that data into my telegraph database. You can see my memory started at 43% used and ended at 52. And that's about all there is to explain about JupyterLab. Now that you've loaded the connector, you can use pandas data frames and get the information you want inside Jupyter. Hope this was helpful for you. If you'd like to see more, then like and subscribe. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments, and we'll see you next time. Thanks.